for the email subscription, visitors to the website can subscribe for email in two ways. Either from the sidebar by filling up putting their email in here. So once they've subscribed, they'll be able to receive updates, newsletters from the website. The second way they can subscribe is by is directly from the home page of the website. From the home page, there is also a subscription bar here. They can simply key in their email and also subscribe. So I will now go ahead and show you how to manage these subscriptions. The back end, by the time you click on the email subscribers menu, it brings you to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard that you can use to manage all the emails. So I'll run you through the important area. We'll start from the settings, which is very important. At this point in time, I'm just using demo settings. So the sender name, what you put here is what is going to show in the email. So at the end of the day, when the recipient or the subscriber receives the email, this name is what is going to show there, this sender's name. So if I put admin x2 here, when the subscribers receive email, they will see admin x2 as the name of the sender. So that's for that. So next, for the sender email, likewise is the same thing. You notice that the sender, there was an email, so you see from this email. So this email is the sender's email. Next, you have email addresses that should receive notifications. So whenever an email is sent, you can put multiple email addresses here, separate them by comma. So those are the people that would be notified once any email is sent from this email subscribers plugin. Next, you have this option for double opt-in. It's currently set on single opt-in, meaning that when someone puts in their email from the website and clicks subscribe, they are immediately added to the email list. If it's double opt-in, the people would receive a verification email so as to confirm their email address. So double opt-in is good if you want to verify the email addresses that you receive, if you don't want to do that manually. Next, these are various settings. If you read the caption properly, you would understand the meaning of the message. So all these settings are mainly messages that will be sent to your subscribers. So you just need to configure it properly and put the right information. The messages you will see if the person has successfully subscribed, if there was an error, if email already exists, if the person unsubscribed, and so on. So this is the first category of settings under general settings. Next, we have notifications. So here you set if your subscriber should receive a welcome email. Like in this case, I'd already set that, so that's why I received this welcome email. So then you can also configure what the welcome email should contain. If you're using double opt-in, that's when this confirmation email option comes into play. Then you have various other notification settings. Next to that, you have your email sending. You don't really need to do anything here. If you want to test it, you can put your email and go ahead to test. Then you don't need to touch the security settings also. So once your settings are all done, the next important aspect of this email subscription plugin is the audience. So from audience, that's where you see the list of subscribers, people that have subscribed, the date and time they have subscribed, and each subscriber will belong to a particular list. So you can then send out newsletters to all your subscribers on this list. So so to send the newsletters, you can simply come to campaign, then start a new campaign. You can use the send broadcast to send the newsletters, your custom created newsletters. You can read more about all these functionalities from the plugin website. If you Google the plugin and go to their website, you'll be able to read up on all these functionalities to get more details on what the plugin can do. I'm just giving you a very quick introduction to the plugin. So to visit the plugin website, simply come to plugins, click on your install plugins, and you look for the plugin name. This is it here: email, subscribers, and newsletters. So by the time you click view details, you'll be able to see a link that takes you to the plugin website. So you can see it here, plugin homepage. So by the time you go there, you can read up and get all the information about how the plugin works. But this is just a very rough introduction. So having looked at the audience, the final menu we'll be looking at is the campaigns. So we've talked about how you can quickly send custom emails to subscribers. Also, you can configure notifications that whenever a new content is published into a certain category, email will be sent to your subscribers. So like in this case, I've selected my list public. I can streamline it to a specific set of people, either news, calendar, or so on. So all these are the different groups of subscribers I have. So with these settings, whenever a new content is published into any of these categories, into my photo gallery, into my reports, FAQ, publications, and so on, the subscribers will receive an email notification automatically. So this is just a very quick run through. Thank you. And this brings us to the end of the email subscribe.